Tongue analysis includes tongue color, shape, and coating, which can reflect the body's internal health condition. Different areas of the tongue correspond to different internal organs. By closely observing the tongue's appearance in each area, one can further understand the health status of the various organs. A normal tongue is light red in color with a thin white coating on the surface. A tongue with qi deficiency is pale, and the sides of the tongue show teeth marks due to the lack of qi, causing it to be pressed by the teeth. Qi is the energy that flows within the body, nourishing the internal organs, meridians, and all parts of the body, maintaining its functions. The qi between heaven and earth interacts with the qi of the human body, affecting health. Qi deficiency refers to a lack of qi in the body, leading to a decline in bodily functions. Symptoms of qi deficiency: easy fatigue, reluctance to speak, shortness of breath, frequent colds, hair loss, brittle nails, poor appetite, pale complexion, and spontaneous sweating, sweating with slight activity. Causes of qi deficiency: poor emotional state, such as anxiety, congenital weakness, lack of nourishment after birth, such as malnutrition or an imbalanced diet, excessive fatigue, and prolonged illness without recovery. Qi deficiency dietary therapy: the principle is to nourish qi, focus on a balanced diet, and choose light, easily digestible foods. Qi nourishing ingredients: soybeans, red dates, longan, ginseng, cotinopsis root, oats, koik seeds, and white rice. Qi nourishing recipes: astragalus chicken soup, yam porridge, red date and ginseng porridge, longan porridge. A tongue with yang deficiency is pale, swollen, and has a moist coating, indicating internal yang deficiency with water retention, similar to a cloudy day with heavy moisture due to lack of sunlight. Yang refers to the energy in the body responsible for warmth, movement, growth, and defense. Yang deficiency is like having an insufficient little sun inside the body, leading to weakened functions and a cold constitution. Symptoms of yang deficiency: sensitivity to cold, cold hands and feet, low energy, pale complexion, excessive sweating, with weakness, sore lower back and knees, water retention, indigestion, bloating, diarrhea, frequent urination at night, and irregular menstruation, light flow or delayed periods. Causes of yang deficiency: congenital factors, postnatal factors such as worry, fatigue, prolonged illness, overeating cold/raw foods, external exposure to wind and cold, and aging. Yang deficiency dietary therapy: warm and hot foods are recommended, while cold and cooling foods should be avoided. Yang nourishing ingredients: lamb, beef, chicken, shrimp, sea cucumber, millet, white rice, buckwheat, longan, lychee, bayberry, cherries, green onions, ginger, garlic, turmeric, cinnamon, Sichuan peppercorn, fennel. Yang nourishing recipes: ginger tea, lamb stew with radish, stir-fried shrimp with chives, longan and red date porridge, lamb soup with angelica and ginger, eukamia kidney soup, yam and cinnamon porridge. A tongue with blood deficiency is pale, flabby, soft, and has a dry coating. Blood includes both blood and nutrients, responsible for transporting energy in blood, nourishing the organs, and warming the body. Blood deficiency is like a river with insufficient water, causing the land to become barren. When blood is deficient, the body's organs become weak. Main symptoms: low mood, pale complexion, heart palpitations, insomnia, dizziness, forgetfulness, vivid dreams, and irregular menstruation, light flow, delayed periods, pale menstrual blood. Causes of blood deficiency: congenital factors, such as genetics, malnutrition during pregnancy, excessive fatigue, depletion, excessive blood loss, prolonged illness, excessive dieting, picky eating, long-term insomnia, and high stress. Blood nourishing ingredients: pork liver, red meat, lamb, shrimp, scallops, eggs, red dates, longan, black fungus, mulberries, berries, grapes, spinach, carrots, walnuts, black sesame seeds, and legumes. Blood-nourishing recipes: red date, longan, and goji berry tea, longan and mulberry tea, stir-fried pork liver with spinach, chicken soup with angelica and red dates. A tongue with yin deficiency appears dark red, thin, and cracked due to insufficient fluids in the body, causing internal heat. It has no coating. Yin refers to the body's fluids, such as moisture, bodily fluids, and hormones. These yin fluids nourish the internal organs and maintain the harmony of yin and yang in the body. Yin deficiency is like the earth lacking water, causing the body to exhibit dryness in a state of false heat or empty fire. Main symptoms: irritability, hot flashes, night sweats, heat in the palms and soles, dry mouth and throat, dry and irritated eyes, dry skin, constipation, yellow or reddish urine, dizziness, tinnitus, insomnia with vivid dreams, lower back pain, and early menstruation, dark color and light flow. Causes of yin deficiency: congenital weakness, excessive labor, overexercising, consuming too much spicy food, excessive alcohol consumption, staying up late, long-term stress, fever that damages yin, and prolonged illness that depletes yin. Yin nourishing ingredients: lily bulbs, white fungus, lotus seeds, yam, goji berries, black sesame seeds, pears, mulberries, pork, sea bass, duck, honey, lotus root, soybeans, and black beans. Yin nourishing recipes: white fungus, lily bulb, and lotus seed porridge, lily bulb and goji berry soup, duck and yam soup, snow pear, fritillaria, and white fungus dessert soup. A tongue with qi stagnation appears locally red and swollen due to blockage and heat generated from stagnation. Qi stagnation refers to the impaired flow of qi within the body, similar to a clogged pipe, leading to dysfunction in various parts of the body. Symptoms of qi stagnation: irritability, dizziness, migraines, chest tightness, rib pain, belching, bloating, poor appetite, numbness in limbs, insomnia with vivid dreams, and irregular or scanty menstruation. Causes of qi stagnation: stress, overthinking, depression, prolonged sitting, lack of exercise, overeating cold or greasy foods, external exposure to wind and cold, and physical injuries, such as falls. Qi regulating ingredients: citrus fruits, dried tangerine peel, rose, mint, cloves, garlic, onions, pepper, ginger, fermented black beans, white radish, bitter melon, burdock, loofah, and seaweed. Qi stagnation dietary recipes: rose tea, citrus and dried tangerine peel tea, white radish and burdock soup, stir-fried loofah with garlic, and ginger Coca-Cola chicken wings. A tongue with blood stasis appears purplish due to poor blood circulation, with purplish-red spots and prominent sublingual veins. Blood stasis refers to the condition where blood flow is sluggish, causing it to accumulate in the meridians and organs, forming pathological clots. Blood stasis is like a blocked river, obstructing the flow of qi and blood, leading to pain and swelling. Symptoms of blood stasis: anxiety, depression, irritability, frequent anger, localized sharp or fixed pain that worsens with movement, swelling in the affected area with hard lumps, dark purple lips, dull complexion, purple spots or patches on the skin, dark nails, heart palpitations, shortness of breath, difficulty falling asleep, and prolonged menstruation, dark blood with clots. Causes of blood stasis: stress, depression, trauma from falls or injuries, prolonged sitting, chronic illness, qi stagnation, cold accumulation, and heat toxins, which burn the blood vessels. Blood stasis resolving ingredients: hawthorn, papaya, mango, guava, shiitake mushrooms, eggplant, bok choy, onions, salmon, safflower, and angelica. Blood stasis resolving recipes: hawthorn porridge, eggplant with garlic sauce, and safflower angelica chicken soup. A tongue with a phlegm-dampness appears swollen with a thick, greasy white coating due to the accumulation of phlegm and dampness in the body. Phlegm-dampness refers to the combination of internal dampness with cold pathogens or an abnormal metabolism of bodily fluids, leading to stagnant moisture in the body. Over time, this thickens into phlegm, obstructing the flow of qi and affecting organ function. Phlegm-dampness is like a poorly draining sink, where water cannot flow smoothly and accumulates inside. Symptoms of phlegm-dampness: fatigue, slow thinking, low energy, heavy-headedness, chest tightness, excessive phlegm, bloating, heavy limbs, susceptibility to allergies, oily skin, and acne. Causes of phlegm-dampness: greasy, cold, or overly sweet foods, prolonged sitting with little movement, humid climate, and insufficient sleep. Phlegm-dampness reducing ingredients: koik seeds, cucumber, winter melon, kelp, seaweed, corn, water bamboo, amaranth, mung beans, red beans, hyacinth beans, cardamom, sweet potato, and radish. Phlegm-dampness reducing recipes: mung bean and koik seed porridge, winter melon and pork rib soup, dried tangerine peel and radish soup, cardamom and black-bone chicken stew. A tongue with a damp heat constitution appears red due to infection, chronic inflammation, or prolonged accumulation of phlegm and dampness generating heat. The tongue coating is greasy and yellow, like heated oil. Damp heat refers to the pathological condition where internal dampness combines with heat pathogens or where prolonged dampness generates heat. Damp heat accumulates in the body, obstructing the flow of qi and affecting organ function. Damp heat is like a hot and humid greenhouse where the air doesn't circulate, creating a sticky feeling. Symptoms of damp heat: irritability, frequent anger, jaundice, a heavy feeling in the body, fatigue, bitter taste and bad breath, short and dark urine, sticky stools, acne, eczema, and melasma. Causes of damp heat: emotional distress, hot and humid environments, overeating spicy, greasy, and sweet foods, long-term alcohol consumption, prolonged sitting with little movement, and staying up late. Damp heat reducing ingredients: koik seeds, mung beans, adzuki beans, lettuce, bitter melon, cucumber, winter melon, watermelon, asparagus, lotus root, lotus seeds, Chinese cabbage, celery, water spinach, and Christian carp. Damp heat reducing recipes: koik seed and mung bean soup, winter melon and koik seed soup, bitter melon and pork rib soup, cucumber and watermelon salad, loofah and Christian carp soup, koik seed, mung bean, and adzuki bean porridge, and lettuce salad.